Look at you. Today is December 22nd, 2011. Charlie is 7.5 months old and a maniac. How did you sleep last night, Charlie? Oh, not very good. So now Carly, Mommy, is reading Nighttime Parenting, which this guy's kind of a whack job. Would you agree? You want this book, don't you? Are you going to walk over here? You show how you crawl? He's crazy and adorable. Is that going to teach you how to sleep better? So we were going fine. He was sleeping through the night the last 2 weeks. Now that he started napping consistently, he wakes up at the odd hours of the night. Literally odd hours. 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So, say hello. Hello. Hi. Charlie. Hi. Come here. You sound like you're possessed. You're the cutest.